Back to the Glodrom YouTube channel, and this is the video that we are going to discuss about what is the importance of resume and what is the things that we need to consider and what are the main point that we need to add into the resume. Before we have discussed the point, I have attached the link below so that you go and search what is the main points that we need to cover into the cover pages. And now we are going to discuss after cover pages what are the important things that we need to add, from where we are going to take that important points from job portal. So this is the main thing that we are going to discuss in this video. Let's get into the video. First point, what is the resume importance? Resume importance, we are going to explain without speaking to other person what is the designation that we have handled before in the companies. So this is a point that we all know. What is the reason for to provide the resume without speaking, and if you can't able to explain to them or think. And what is the another important things of the resume? If 2-3 persons are going to such a job, before speaking to them, that is the resume will speak to them, okay, this is the person well in that job designation what they are looking for. That is one of the main thing that we are going to prepare the resume. So we should aware of how to prepare the resume. It's important that we have discussed before. Main points that we have added into the resume, one is photo and another one is what is the designation that we have handled, the name, exact name, what we have done before company, and experience that we have handled, how many experience, and what are the mail ID that we need to give them to contact back, and what are the phone numbers so that opposite person will contact us and call for the interview, and what are the company that we have handled, and what are the software that we have handled, and what are the award that we have award, and what are the best things that we have handled in the previous designation in rebar retailer or design engineer that we are going to enter into the cover page. That is the first page. This is the thing that we are going to let them to read the next page. So cover page is always important, that we have discussed in the previous video. Now the another important thing, how we are going to explain ourselves into the next pages, it's important. And there is a lot of updated will be there, that updation where we need to take and how easier we are going to take that points from job portal. For example, if you are going to discuss about the job portal, there is a lot of job portal will be there to search India and other foreign countries. We are going to take an example of Indeed and Naukri Gulf and then LinkedIn. So these are all the main job portal that we are going to take the points what we are searching for the designation. I am going to search a rebar retailer job. In that portal there is many rebar retailer with different companies. It shows each and everything I will enter, and I just wanted to read it because from the different company they are searching for US detailer only and BS detailer only. So I am going to take the point those who are searching for the BS detailer, and from that point I come to know what is the main thing they are searching for. For example, if you are going to read the rebar retailer job portal and they are telling us we are searching 3 to 4 years experience, and one point we get to know. And the another thing what they are searching for, they should completed the BS standard. So this is the things we confirm, okay, we are the one from the BS standard and we are in correct position to take the points from what they are searching for. Whether they are telling us that each person should handle the project by themselves, and that is the point because they were telling everything in the technical form and that we can't explain, and those who are can't able to explain the things that we are going to take the points from the Indeed job portal or else Naukri Gulf LinkedIn job portal, that we are going to take the point from that time we are going to take the points from that. Okay, I'll explain the next things, what is the main point that we need to take into this video so that you come to know what are the points that we need to add it. So now we get to know what are the points that we need to add it into the job portal or what we need to add into your resume. This is the one point that we are discussing from one company, and there is a lot of company searching for us to go with the different points. We need to search all the rebar retailer company and we are going to take each points from what they are expecting. And MNC company, they will search in a different technical name, and the normal company that they will search rebar retailer as a different technical name. So each technical name we need to enter into our resume so that when job portal itself, they are searching for the good resume. In the time, our resume will come up and they will select us easier. So now we are in position to select the point from job portal what they are searching for exactly. You go and search your designation in the, you will go and you have to search your designation into the Indeed, Naukri Gulf or LinkedIn, and they will provide you the description what they want. We are going to add that same description into our resume. It's easy for them to find and easy for us to find the job easy. So this is the main thing that we need to add. You can take it as a tips also, because once I was started to such a job, I was like, what are the points that I have handled in the previous company? I always enter into my resume. In that time, none of them did not take my resume until I was replaced like this. So this is the changes that I have been through. I just wanted to give these tips to you so that people are searching for the job designation. It's easy for you to find the job. After the thing, as usual, that we need to go, that we are going to add what is the software that we have done, what is the year that we have done, whether we are completed the experience certificate. We have to update that too, that we have the experience certificate, so that the opposite people come to know that okay, we are the perfect in certification and years and everything, that all that opposite person will come to know quick and immediately. They will contact. Final sheet that we are going to enter, what is your name, what is the number again, cover page. It's easy for them to miss. If something they miss the cover page, and the last page will let them know these are the name that we have and these are the designation that we have handled and what is the number, what is the mail ID. Each and every page, if possible, there is option to add the mail ID and number. It's good to go, because whenever they will read the paper and there is option to miss the paper, so once they come to know your number and mail ID, they will contact you easy. So whenever I'll enter my resume, I will add my phone number and then my mail ID and then what is the designation experience in the first page. At the same details I will add it into the second page, and then fourth page, last page will be there, and the end one you are truthfully or you are faithfully that we are going to put our sign with the date if possible, with places important, so that the opposite person will come to know okay, this is the location you are, and they will call you for the interview or no, like that they will, based on that they will call. So guys, I hope this is the video useful for you. I just wanted to tell you guys, even I don't know how to explain it in clearly below the company details. This one girl was explaining this to me. So after that, I started to search a job easier from Indeed, from Naukri Gulf, from LinkedIn, that we are going to take the points and we need to enter into our resume, so that our resume will speak more quick and immediately to the opposite person. There is another tips will be there, with the smarter tips will get you know the next video. Until bye.